I've got my marker, and I've got my 3D pen. Time to start my plan by circling this cap. Okay, there we go. Now I can slide this right off. I'll just draw this little loop like this. And now I'll need to fill in this little loop space too. Back and forth, back and forth. Alright, I'm done there. Now to bring in the little bits I pre-made. I'll connect them on the side. Now I need some yellow. I'll just draw my letter with this yellow 3D ink. I'll just put my little hat right on top of my head. And now I'm ready. Swing! Heads up!
Oh, ow! What the heck? Hey! What are you doing?
Oh my gosh! I totally hit him! I'll just put this hat on my little ducky instead. Yeah, it was him.
It's been a slow day so far.
Ahem. I'm here for cut and style.
Oh yes! I'm happy to help you. Please take a seat over here.
Thank you. I will.
How's the weather outside? Is it still hot? Okay, now how can I help you today?
I just need a little off the ends. Remove the split ends and lift it up a bit.
Of course, of course. I can definitely do that for you. I'll just need to adjust your chair. A little more. Just some more. A bit more. Alright, I'm ready to get started. You have beautiful hair. I can tell you take good care of it. I seem to have encountered a snarl.
What's going on back there? Why did you stop?
No worries. Don't worry at all. Everything is under control. Oh my gosh. The dome totally broke in half!
What's with that look on your face?
Oh, it's nothing. Just a little gas. What am I gonna do? That was my best comb! Wait! Of course! My trusty 3D pen! That'll fix my problem. I've got a picture of a comb, so now I just need to trace it. I'll just fill it in with my favorite pink 3D ink. Okay, this is working well so far. There we go. The front half of the comb. And now to start with the handle. I'll use this pretty light green. It's such a pretty color. I don't get to use it that much. And since I'm making a new comb, I might as well make it prettier too. When I'm done with this part, I'll make some flowers too. Okay, almost done. And voila! A new comb. Oh, she fell asleep. Guess I better hurry up and finish. Back to combing her hair.
Oh, sorry. I must have dozed off there for a moment.
Okay, I think I've got this level locked down. Here I go, the final treasure run. I can do this!
What's he doing over there? He's pretty excited.
I'm so close to winning this dungeon!
Could I have a chance?
Huh? Oh no, I'm playing right now.
Please?
Ugh, I already said no! I'm playing!
Please, please, please!
I said no!
Well, fine then. You don't have to be so mean.
And I'm out of my drink too. Great. Listen, I'm watching you. Don't touch my game.
I'm watching you. Don't touch my game. What a grouch. Alright, he's gone. Now's my chance. He shouldn't have left it alone. He thinks he's so great at this game. I'll show him. Yeah! I'm awesome at this! He's not nearly as good as me. Take that! And that! How about this move? Oh no! I knocked off his mug! Oh, there it goes. Oh. No! It totally broke! What am I gonna do? He's totally gonna know that I was playing his game. Wait a second. I know! Alright, Mug. You're coming with me. And now to use my 3D pen. This is gonna solve my problem. I'll just trace the edge of this broken lip. Okay. So far this seems to be working. I have to keep going. Now up to the top of this side of the break. And now to go across. It's like stitching it closed. Or making a patch. It's gonna need a lot of lines, though. It doesn't have to be perfect right now, though. It's more important just to get some base lines put down. Okay, almost done, and… there we go! Phew! I think I fixed it. It's the best I can do anyway. Oh no! He's coming back! I need to get out of here! Quick! Back to my chair! Phew! Made it!
You're being suspicious. I'm still watching you. Something doesn't seem right around here. I feel like there's something amiss. Huh. Guess there's nothing. Alright, time to fill my mug back up. Gotta remain hydrated if I'm gonna win this level. Ah, so good.
Is he gonna notice?
Wait, what the heck is on my mug? Well, guess she had nothing to do with it. Doesn't matter. Back to my game. Thanks for vacuuming, Mr. Broccoli. Huh? What? Oh, I was dreaming. I wonder what time it is. I'd better check my phone. My phone! No! Ah! It hit the floor so hard! my gosh, this is the worst! Ah! I'm in a nightmare! What happened? Where am I? Right, my phone.
Hey! I'm down here where I fell, remember? Hi!
Ah! A nightmare! Ah! Oh my gosh! It was another nightmare! Sheesh! Wait! My phone! Phew. My phone is back where it belongs and not on the floor. But now I'm all freaked out. I can't let that really happen. I know what I can use. I can bring out my 3D pen and figure something out. I'll use this purple ink since I like it and start coloring the phone case. I'll just make a little zigzag across the top here, then go back across. And now for another zigzag back across. I just really need to fill this space with a lot of 3D ink. Okay, now that I've done the top, I'll do the sides too. I want to make sure that this is well covered too. There! I totally covered the whole phone case. Ah! I dropped it!
No worries. I didn't break it all.
Oh my gosh. I was so worried. But my new case totally worked. Alright, I'm going back to sleep.
Nope. Not this. This isn't gonna work at all.
Absolutely not! This is terrible!
Ugh.
My whole wardrobe is just the absolute worst! This is a disaster! Huh? What's going on in here? Ooh.
I literally have nothing to wear!
What are you talking about? Look at all this clothing!
But Jake asked me out on a date.
Jake? Oh my gosh, what are we gonna do?
Well, maybe this shirt could work? What do you think? Or maybe this red dress instead? Or is that too much?
I'm not sure that's the best look.
Wait! I think I just got a genius idea! I forgot I owned this cute crop top. Oh, but I don't have jewelry that will work with this look.
Wait! I think I know what you can do!
Huh? I don't get it. Oh wait! Dad, you're so smart! I'm sure I've got something in here. No! There's nothing! This is hopeless! This date is gonna be the worst date ever! I should just cancel!
Well, there's gotta be something we can do about this.
I can't go out without a pair of earrings! I just can't!
I'm not sure what I can… Wait! This neck pillow! And my 3D pen! Honey, I think this is the solution!
Oh my gosh! I think you're right! Okay, I've got a little drawing of a watermelon slice, and now to trace it. I'll start with black ink and just outline, all the way around the outside edge. And now to trace the lines on the inside too. Okay, I think this is turning out well so far. I'm not done yet though. I have to keep going. Time to start filling in the red watermelon color. Can't forget to do the edge in red too. There we go. All the way to this end. Time for the rind. This green is a good choice. This is so fun. I should do this more often. I'll need a darker green here though. And then I'll use the black color to do the melon seeds too. Just little bits on the red parts. Yes! Just one more over here, I think. Woo! I'm done! It looks so good! I love it! And then of course I need to do a second one and add earring pieces. Eee! I can't believe how great these turned out! I absolutely love them! Let me try them on. They look good, right? Cute? Thank you so much, Dad! Your smart idea really paid off. Alright, I'm off to my date with Jake!
Alright, have a good time with Jake. Ah, now where's my neck pillow? There it is. Better. Wait, what's that? Oh, a photo. Aw, look at that. She's having a great time. So cute.
What kind of earrings would you make with a 3D pen? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more great videos like this one.